Here's a guide on how to pair the Sony MDR XB950 Bluetooth headphones. So I'll show you how to get them into pairing mode so that they can connect to a iPhone. Now this is going to work the same for just about any iPhone, whether it's the 7, the iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the iPhone 14. So when it's your first time pairing a Bluetooth headphones or any Bluetooth device, first you want to go into the settings right there. So go into the settings, then you want to go into the Bluetooth settings. So go from settings here, then look for Bluetooth. So you're looking for Bluetooth right there. As you go in there, turn it on. And with just about every iPhone, as you turn on the Bluetooth, it will start searching for nearby devices. And this usually lasts about like 2 minutes long before it stops searching. So you can rest your iPhone down now, then go onto your headphones. So make sure your Sony headphones are actually off, because to get them into pairing mode, you have to hold down the button and get them into pairing mode. So turn it off first, make sure they are off. Now, as they are off, and of course, assuming you have some battery life in them, you're gonna hold down on the power button. And it usually takes about 6 to 7 seconds holding down the power button until you see the blue-red blinking light. So go ahead now and hold it down. Don't let it go, okay? Just hold down the power button while it's off and keep holding it down until you see a blue-red blinking light. So here we go. So hold it and just hold it, keep holding it, and wait until you see this right there. You see that right there? So the video is kind of fast forwarded, but it should take about 6 to 7 seconds long. You should see now the MDR XB950BT or whatever Sony model you have. And when you see it, tap on it, it's gonna connect for you and you should be good to go. You should be fully connected with the iPhone. So if this guide helped you out in some way, please do like and subscribe. Check out my other tutorials.